Welcome back to Thek Unlimited, your go-to channel for practical tech tips and tricks that actually make your daily life easier. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more smart solutions to everyday tech problems. Here we believe in sharing hacks that really work, so you can get the most out of your devices without any complicated steps or risky shortcuts. Have you ever found yourself straining to hear your favorite song, a movie, or even an important call because your phone's speaker just isn't loud enough? Especially in a noisy environment like a busy cafe or while commuting. Well, you're not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through several safe and effective ways to boost your phone's speaker volume. We'll explore some hidden settings you might not know about, introduce you to clever apps that can help amplify your sound, and even share a few physical tricks that can make a big difference, without risking any damage to your device. Plus, I've got a special bonus tip that's perfect for your next movie night with friends or family, so everyone can enjoy the experience without missing a single word or beat. So, grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's dive right into these practical and easy-to-follow hacks that will help you get the best sound out of your smartphone speakers. First stop, your phone's built-in sound settings. Head to Settings, Sound or Volume. Look for features like Media Volume Sync, Sound Enhancer, Dolby Atmos, or Audio Effects. On iPhone, try Settings, Music EQ, and select Late Night Mode for a quick boost. Explore these options. Sometimes a simple toggle can make your phone noticeably louder. Don't overlook what's already built in. It might surprise you. Next up, let's talk about equalizers, one of the most powerful tools for customizing your listening experience. Equalizer settings let you shape the sound coming from your phone's speakers or headphones, so you can get the most out of your music, podcasts, or calls. If you've never explored your phone's EQ options, now's the perfect time to start. Most smartphones and music apps come with built-in EQ settings. You can usually find them in your music app's settings menu, or in your phone's sound settings. Once you're there, try boosting the mid and high frequencies. This helps vocals and instruments sound clearer, and makes your audio feel louder and more detailed, even at lower volumes. Be careful not to max out the bass though. While it might seem tempting to crank it up for a punchier sound, too much bass can actually distort your audio and make everything sound muddy or boomy. Instead, keep the bass at a moderate level for a balanced sound. Many EQs also offer handy presets like Vocal Booster, Treble Boost, or even genre-specific options like rock or jazz. For podcasts, audiobooks, or phone calls, try the Vocal Booster or Treble Boost presets to make speech stand out and sound crisp. Don't be afraid to experiment with subtle tweaks. Even small adjustments can make a huge difference in clarity and overall sound quality. Remember, the goal isn't just to make things louder, but to enhance the details and richness of your audio. Spend just a minute or two adjusting your EQ settings, and you'll notice your phone's speaker sounds bigger, clearer, and more immersive almost instantly. It's a simple trick that can transform your everyday listening experience. Let's talk about using volume booster apps safely. Sometimes your phone's built-in volume just isn't enough, especially if you're in a noisy environment or your headphones aren't as loud as you'd like. That's where apps like Wavelet for Android come in. Wavelet is a popular choice because it gives you detailed control over your audio output, letting you tweak the sound to your liking with its powerful equalizer and volume boost features. But remember, boosting volume isn't just about making things louder. It's about doing it responsibly to protect your ears and your device. Another great option is VLC Media Player, available on both Android and iOS. VLC lets you increase the audio gain for videos and music, which can be super helpful if you're struggling to hear dialogue or your favorite tracks. Just remember, these boosts are meant for occasional use, not all the time. To keep things safe, limit your volume boost to about 10–15% above the default setting. Going higher can cause distortion, make your music sound harsh, or even damage your phone's speakers over time. It's a good idea to test the boost with songs you know well, so you can spot any changes in sound quality right away. If you notice any crackling, buzzing, or weird noises, lower the volume immediately. These are signs that your phone's speakers are struggling. Always use trusted apps from reputable developers, and avoid those that make wild claims about max volume or super boost. They can be risky and sometimes even harmful. Stick to apps with good reviews and clear privacy policies. Uninstall any sketchy apps that ask for unnecessary permissions or promise unrealistic results. Your phone's safety and your hearing are more important than a few extra decibels. And finally, if your phone starts to feel hot or the audio sounds off, turn the volume down right away. Overheating can damage your device and affect performance. Always listen responsibly and enjoy your music safely. Sometimes, old-school tricks work best. Place your phone in a clean bowl or cup, speaker facing down. The shape amplifies sound naturally. Or lean your phone against a hard surface with the speaker facing it to reflect and project audio. Avoid covering the speaker with fabric. Hard, smooth surfaces work best. These quick tricks can make your phone sound much fuller. No extra gear needed. Physics for the win. Here's your bonus tip. When you need real volume, go wireless. Pair your phone with a Bluetooth speaker or your TV for rich, powerful sound. Most Bluetooth speakers are plug and play, and smart TVs can mirror audio easily. This protects your phone's hardware and gives you room-filling audio. Many speakers are portable and waterproof, perfect for any occasion. For big moments, let external speakers do the heavy lifting. That's it. Which hack worked best for you? Did a settings tweak or a physical trick surprise you? Drop your results and questions in the comments. I love your feedback. If these tips help, subscribe to Thek Unlimited for more daily tech hacks. Hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.